go build the desk. This time, it's gonna be a desk for me. Let's go. Let's see what we got. Pretty sure this is how you open it. Oh. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is I need to fill in all these little voids in the wood here. So I think this side's gonna be the top. So what I need to do is basically pick out all the little crap that's gonna not stay in there, and then I'm gonna fill it in with epoxy. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix up some epoxy so I can fill all these voids in. And this one is a 1-to-1 ratio, so I always just mix extra. I know it's a waste, but I don't have any cups that are any smaller that I can actually do an accurate measurement with. So I end up wasting a bunch. Mix it, 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 mix it. And it's sealed. So I'm just gonna use this epoxy black color pigment. I'm going for like a black opaque coloring inside all these cracks and voids. So I'm gonna add a few drops. Nice solid black color. So let's start pouring it in here. So after I planed it down yesterday, sanded it all down, there were a few small cracks. So I had to add more epoxy. So that cured overnight. So now we have this. So I don't know how well you can see it. It's pretty dark inside my garage. But let's get to sanding. Looks pretty good after sanding. I like the way it came out. I mean, you can't really tell right now until I get a good finish on it, but I think that's gonna look cool. And we're almost done. Just kidding, we have to do the entire other side now. So now, I'm just gonna take off all this crap right here, all the, like, the bark, whatever it's left on here. It's gonna fall off if we leave it on. So I'm just gonna get it off with the drill and a little nylon wheel on here. So let's get started. So now both sides are nice and flat. Cleaned it all up. I'm gonna trim the table down to length, and I think I've got it marked out where I want to cut. So time to chop. So I got both sides nice and flat now, sanded it down to a smooth finish. Got all the edges kind of rounded over a little bit. I just did it by hand with a file and some sandpaper. So now, time to apply the finish. I'm gonna use Rubio Monocoat Oil Plus. This is just the pure color. So let's go ahead and apply that. Finally got my desk done. So, took a little while, wasn't too bad. A few mistakes along the way, but all in all, I like the way it came out. So, let me know what you guys think of the desk in the comments below, and if you have any questions, go ahead and feel free to ask in the comments as well. If you like this video, please subscribe, and if you liked it, maybe leave a like. All right, catch you guys around on the next build.